It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Are you thinking about remodeling your home? Get started at the free Learn from the Pros remodeling seminar at Reborn Cabinets. With me today is Sean Johnson, co-founder of Approved Home Pros, who knows just how valuable this event is. And it's so good to see you. This event is valuable because you learn from people who know more than the rest of us about how all of this works. And the previous events have been standing room only.
Oh, they've all been so successful. That's one of the reasons why Approved Home Pros is really getting behind this. We've done the last two events with them and seen so much success. And the feedback from the homeowners that come to these has been fabulous. People just walk away learning so much.
Okay, so the details about it then. It's Saturday, this upcoming Saturday.
Saturday the 21st, yes, next Saturday. Starts at 10 a.m. You might want to get there a little bit early because again, it fills up fast and you need to register. Get your space reserved. It's very, very important. And there are different topics throughout the day, and it's a lot of fun for the homeowner, for the parents, and for the kids.
Right, so we're talking about the whole family. We're going to get to that in a second, but really, it's not about sales. This is really about educating the homeowner.
Yeah, about educating and empowering them, inspiring them. So at the event, we're going to have different topics that are covered, everything from how to pick the right contractor, to proper materials and different material selections are available, hardware choices, all the things you might want to know to really enter into a remodel experience confidently and knowing what you can get out of it and what the right questions to ask of your contractor.
Right, and that's an important element too because you can ask questions and get some answers.
Yeah, that's one of the big things at this is the Q&A opportunity for the homeowner to ask questions of professionals that are there that aren't trying to sell them, they're just there to educate them.
Okay, and then also for kids, you can bring the kids, it's a family event and there's a lot of door prizes, all different things going on.
Yeah, door prizes, all kinds of fun throughout the day. It's a really fun, lighthearted experience. There's cooking demos, which I love, and free lunch.
So good.
Oh yeah. They bring in some great food and great cooking demos. So you're not just seeing these kitchens in isolation, you're seeing them being used, and then you can go and touch and feel everything in the showroom. It's really great. The whole setting and environment is wonderful for that.
And Sean, then you can picture what it would be like in your own home. All right, thanks, Sean. This event is just 1 week away, so gather all your home improvement questions and head to approvedhomepros.com/reborn to reserve your space today, and we'll see you next Saturday, April 21st.